Today on Mom's Dinner, we're going to be making fresh guacamole. Start with ripe avocados and cut them open by running your knife all along the pit. Grab the two halves and give them a twist. It'll open right up. To remove the pit, attach a sharp knife and give it a little twist. To remove the pit from your knife, put your hand on the back side of the knife and give the pit a little pinch and it will pop right off. Now mash your ripe avocados with the back side of a knife, leaving a few chunks in the guacamole for good texture. Add some red or white onion, lime juice, cilantro, jalapeno, fresh garlic, and kosher salt. Now mix it all together with a fork and dig in with some tortilla chips.